Hello guys, thanks for showing your support towards my channel. Today I am bringing to you one of my favorite cuisines, that is the Indian Goan cuisine. This is very special to my heart and is a very healthy cuisine. So today I'll be showing you the sardine fish curry. To prepare this, you will be requiring few ingredients. I will be listing them in the description box. For those of you who have any difficulty in understanding the ingredients or the process, please feel free to leave your comments in the comments section and I will get back to you. So I will briefly explain the process. You have to clean the sardine thoroughly multiple times with rock salt or turmeric, and there are some tips that I have provided in the description box. For the ingredients, you will be requiring around quarter kg of sardine fish cleaned, rock salt, turmeric, garam masala, red chilli powder, pepper powder, curry leaves, bay leaf, onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves for garnish, oil, and a juice of tamarind. For dry ingredients, you will be requiring clove, cinnamon, pepper, cumin. To prepare this, you will need to first dry roast all the dry ingredients for 5 minutes until it gives a good aroma. Bring it to room temperature and then grind it without adding any water. For the main process, chop some onions and tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok and heat to medium hot. Add bay leaf, curry leaves, chopped onions and saute. Add pinch of salt and brown onions. Then add tomatoes and saute. Add ginger and garlic paste and continue to saute. Add dry masala ground earlier and saute. Add juice of tamarind. Bring to boil and cover. Add all powder masalas like red chilli powder, turmeric, pepper powder and garam masala. Once the masala is cooked and boiled for 7 to 10 minutes, add sardine and gently mix. Sardine is a very soft fish, so it will cook quickly. So be careful and don't lose the texture like overcooking it. Now your sardine fish curry should be ready to serve. Please enjoy it with some flat bread, which is chapati, rice or fresh salad, and of course, coastal cuisine always ends with a lemon. I hope you enjoy it. For more such recipes, please keep tuned to my channel and subscribe it. I will be updating